Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video we'll join another free crypto mining opportunity which is named by Orochi network, and their airdrop reward system is live. And in this video I'll show you exactly how I personally work on this project, so you'll get an idea how you should work on this project. Okay, so they have already raised $12 million funding from top tier investors, which are BNB chain, Ethereum Foundation, and Web3 Capital. Okay, and their airdrop reward is 100% confirmed, and most important thing, it's 100% free to join, which means you don't need any money or investment to join their project. Okay, you can see here you just have to do daily check-in in their airdrop, which is super easy, and you have to run their node in browser. So it's basically a mining project like a Bitcoin miner we used in 2010. It's similar like that. So you just have to mine their tokens and it will be converted into valuable crypto coins at the end of TG. So the first step we'll do is that head to my Telegram channel, and I'll drop my Telegram channel link in the description of this video. So when you join my Telegram channel, just click on these three lines, three dots, then select search. Okay, then here just type here Orochi, then you will redirect to this post. You have to copy this link from here, just click on it, then you will get a copy button here. Okay, just simply copy it, then open your Mrs. browser, simply paste it here, click on go. Then you must enable your desktop version from here. Okay, just click on three lines, three dots, and enable desktop mode. If you don't do this step, then it will not work in mobile phone. You can work on this project in your PC also. So here you will see an captcha solving page, just click on verify you are human. Okay, then it will redirect you to their main website, and here you will see an interface, and you just have to click on sign up, or you can just click on prover button. Okay, it will work the same, just click on it, then you just have to continue with UNID, simply click on it, then it will redirect you to a login page. So you just have to click on Google, or you can manually type it here, but I'll go through with the Google. Okay, and then simply click your Gmail, then simply select your Gmail, click on continue. After doing that, your account will be login here successfully. Then you just have to connect your wallet. Okay, so simply click on it and select MetaMask wallet. Now simply click on connect. So our wallet is simply connected here. If your wallet doesn't work, then simply add the Monad testnet in your MetaMask, then it will work. Okay, so after doing that, you just have to click on prover button here. Simply click on it, then it will start compiling. So you just have to click on these three lines here, then select this reward tab. Okay, so simply click on it, then you'll see an interface like this, and here you will see in the top right corner daily check-in button. So the daily check-in button is not working properly, that's why team is working on it. So I'll post on my Telegram channel whenever it start work properly. Okay, so once you mine 50 points, then you just have to head to this reward tab, then you will see your tokens here, estimated reward, and once you mine 50 on tokens, then you can claim it here. Okay, and whenever you try to claim, then you will need some faucet which is called Monad faucet, and I've already shared the link of Monad faucet in this post. Okay, here you can see, simply click on it and connect your wallet, then captcha fill, and you will get your Monad faucet. So again click on three lines, click on home, then again click on prover button. Okay, whenever you close this tab or change the tab, the mining will stop. That's why we have to open it like this and leave it in the background. Okay, so it will keep mining points whenever your phone or PC is connected to a internet. Once it's started, then you will get a stop button here. If it doesn't appear for around 3 to 4 minutes, then just click on 3 lines and refresh the page. Okay, then it will start working properly. So you can refer your friends, etc., from this referral program. So it's super easy, 100% free. So the early you join any airdrop, the more profit you will get from the project. Okay, so must join my Telegram channel, where we always post just legit airdrops, confirmed airdrops with high potential. So that's it for now. I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you comment on this video, which motivates me to bring more educational and confirmed airdrops for you and help you grow in crypto space. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe.